Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will be showing you how to make custard cake. A soft fluffy sponge cake topped with caramel sugar and creamy custard. This is a best desserts for special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries, or graduation, since it's almost summer. Okay, so let's go ahead and prepare our ingredients. First thing that we need to prepare is our caramel sugar. And for the exact measurement of all the ingredients, I will be putting it probably by the end of this video. I am melting the sugar directly from the pan, and it's on a medium heat. This is to avoid the sugar from burning. And the size of the pan, it's a 9 by 13 inch. As you can see, I'm not touching the sugar. I'm just letting it melt by itself. And I will be moving the pan from time to time to make sure that the sugar melts evenly. What we're looking for here is a golden brown caramel. And once we achieve that color, then it's time for us to remove the pan from the heat. Just like this. And then after this, we need to set this aside. And then we'll go to our next step, which is preparing for our custard topping. For this, it doesn't need to be complicated. What we need to do is to pour in all of our ingredients in a pan and then whisk it. As simple as that. And again, you can look for the exact measurement at the end of this video. Before we transfer our topping to our prepared pan, make sure that the caramel sugar is already set. And then after this, we will set this aside, and then we will be preparing our next step, and that will be our chiffon cake. Okay, so sift all dry ingredients from flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. And then give it a good mix and then set it aside. use a different bowl in separating egg yolks from egg whites, it will be a lot easier to see if there's any eggshells left on the egg whites, and also to avoid adding spoiled eggs. Consistency that we're looking for our meringue is soft peak, just like this, and then we will be adding it into our butter gradually. Mix this gently to avoid losing the air from the meringue, and I divided the meringue into three parts, so we will be adding it one at a time. While I'm mixing this, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you will be updated every time that I will be posting a new video. I will be putting the cake batter in a much bigger pan with a little water, and then I will bake this at 150 degrees Celsius or 302 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. And then once it's done, we need to rest the cake for about 10 minutes before removing it from the pan.